Hey there, I'm Sir Classy and this is SC We're going to be making an Afrobeat type beat today inspired by Omah Lay. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with a simple melody. Most Omah Lay beats start from around 100 or rather from 96 to about 110 BPM. So we're going to leave it midway about 100 BPM and we're going to play a very simple melody. Mali likes to incorporate a little bit of high life into his melody. Then the chord progressions are like more R&B influenced. So let's play some melody. See how that goes. Turn your metronome on. All right. So yes, it can be really that simple. Then we'll quantize this. Then quickly render that. And then we're going to have a really simple R&B chord progression to follow it up with. Let's see. Let's use Lounge Lizard for that. So let's play it back and see how it sounds. So we're going to record that. Let's see. Create a new pattern for that. Then we'll listen. Quantize, of course. Let's bring this here. Extend this a little bit so that so next we're going to add is another percussive sound to give it that bounce, to add more to the bounce. Then we listen. I'm thinking Omali doesn't like his melodies to be too bright. So we're going to add some effects to make it sound a bit dull. Doesn't like too much bright melodies. So I will link this to a mixer. Let me collapse this a little. And then I'm going to EQ this. Take out some high end. Same with the chords. Render the chords too as well. Add an EQ. Let's take this to the lower octave and see how it sounds. Yeah. More of Omah Lay now. Let's create a drum pattern. Then I'll layer this. Kick. What Omah Lay also likes to play is like his kicks are not always very straight, but I'm going to make the straight first, and I'll show you how I'm going to play with them. The kick is not always direct. I think this is. I think I did too much. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Then I think I'll need to take this one off. And then I'm going to add shaker. Like shaker is really very low. And we're going to spread it out. And Riley likes to have this build up to when maybe something is about to come, maybe a chorus or a bridge or something. Like likes to have a build up. So all right, let's go. All right, then we're listening. Render this. So we're going to start without the shaker. Then it's going to jump in here. And also, let's not forget the atmospheres. Omah Lay uses atmospheres. So we'll put that part in there. Then we listen. Then render and replace. Then we're going to add bass. Let's listen first and see. record something else, and then we'll step it up. All right, then we'll listen. Let's see. We'll render it, and I'm going to use the bars in separate areas. So I'll basically just duplicate. Let me take this away. Duplicate this. Then we're going to create our intro and give it some space. Take out my drums. Extend this some more. Also extend this again. Then I'm going to extend this. Then we'll have our second verse and then our outro. This is where he does his vocal, like atmospheric vocal stuff if he wants to. But yeah, this is pretty much a basic breakdown of Omah Lay beats. Of course, you can get more detailed than this, but this is just a basic breakdown to show you how most times Omah Lay does this. But now you think he's a genius because I think he makes his beat really simple with a standout melody. And one of the easiest things to remember in a beat is a really nice melody. So it makes the beats really easy to remember. And then his vocals, enough space for his vocals to be on. Like, there's not much distracting you from his vocals. No vocal samples, no vocal chops, just the melodies. Even the bass line also is simple. So yeah, I think Omah Lay is a genius. And yeah. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think he's a genius? Do you think his type of beats are nice? I think it's nice. But what do you think? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave us with a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that people that need this video can easily find it right here on YouTube. And also feel free to check out more of my videos that will help you level up your music making skills. Cheers.